What is up, guys? My name is Ethan. I'm back here at Worldwide RV, and today we're checking out this awesome rear living travel trailer. This is the 2024 Jayco J-Flight 265 RLSW. So as you step inside the 265, the first thing that you're going to notice is just how open this living area is. And that's because it is a full wall slide on the passenger side that gives you tons of room in here. Starting off, you're going to have your dinette up here, right next to your entertainment center. You're going to have a 32-inch smart TV, an IRV Technologies radio stereo system. And then right next to your dinette is this awesome two-person fold-out couch. So it does convert into more sleeping area. But if you want to be a bit more comfortable than that, in the RLSW, you actually get two separate recliners that you can actually move around anywhere in the unit. And these recline very far back, along with tons of storage up above all around. And here's a great view of the kitchen. As you can see, you get a full 2-bucket sink, all the Furrion appliances like that 3-burner stovetop and oven, and then a high-point microwave, as well as a 12-volt refrigerator. You will get absolutely tons of pantry space, along with storage underneath and above. Now, to get to your bedroom, you do have to go through the bathroom, where you get this rounded shower with tons of space inside. You're going to get even more storage through this medicine cabinet and under below your sink. And then things like an RV toilet and a ton of storage on this side. And then into the bedroom, you get a queen size bed, windows on either side, along with storage around the sides and above. And then take a look here. This is where you're not only going to be able to mount a TV, but also you have your solar controller, because this unit is equipped with 200 watts of solar on the roof, standard. This is absolutely one of my favorite floor plans for the J-Flight line. As you can see, this particular unit retails for over $54,000, but we have it on sale currently for our 60th anniversary sale for only $30,741. That's a steal of a deal, and I think for what you're getting is a great price. So come on down to Worldwide RV today.